Read this piece to learn about the stock market. For many people, there is nothing like the thrill of making a shrewd investment decision. However, for stock market novices, it is important to gain a significant amount of knowledge before leaping into the fray. Put the tips in this piece to good use, and you can soon be ready to conquer Wall Street and improve your personal financial picture. Do not blindly follow the recommendations of your investment broker without doing some due diligence of your own. Ensure that the investment is registered with the SEC and find some background information on the way that the investment has performed in the past. There have been instances of fraud whereby the information presented by the broker was fabricated. Keep in mind that there is a variety of stocks available. Compared to bonds, commodities, real estate and certificates of deposit, stocks might seem like a singular venture, but within the stock world there are many options. Common divisions within the stock market include specific sectors, growth patterns and sizes of companies. Stock investors routinely discuss things like small and large caps and growth versus value stocks. It is good to learn the terminology. Remember that stock prices are reflections of earnings. In the short-term immediate future, market behavior will fluctuate depending on news and rumor and the emotional responses to those, ranging from enthusiasm to panic. In the longer-term picture, however, company earnings over time wind up determining whether a stock price rises or falls. Investing is something that has the potential to change lives for the better or else cause severe financial distress. In order to succeed in the stock market, you need to gain a thorough familiarity with time-tested strategies. Take the advice in this video to heart, and you stand a good chance of maximizing your profits and achieving real results. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.